All right, you guys, we're back. Second video, second cold start and drive video up and down the road. We're gonna do it on the 93 Cobra. And like I said on the previous video, we're gonna do the other two separate videos. So I'm doing this for one, to, you know, because I've had a lot of people ask me to do a cold start video on these cars. So I figured I'd do a cold start, you know, on the cars, and then just drive them down the road and back, so you guys can hear them going down the road a little bit and see them. And plus, you know, that allows me to pull these cars out and drive them, because they've been sitting for a while, right? 4, 5, 6 weeks. Like, I haven't moved this Cobra for probably 6 weeks. I haven't drove it. So, and that I'm kind of killing two birds with one stone doing this, you know, so. Because I do need to start these cars, drive them up and down the road and back, and so that's what we're doing. So let's go ahead and start this old girl up, and then we'll go up and down the road. You guys can see the old beauty going up and down the road and hear it a little bit, hopefully. So, and I'll have my wife video it for you. So let's get on it. Alright, you guys, you heard the old girl start up, and we're going to pull it out. I'm going to have my wife film me. She's going to film me on all these videos while I'm going up and down the road. So I'm going to pull out and drive the old girl up and down. Alright, there you go, guys. Seeing the old girl go up and down the road. She's a beauty, for sure. You know, I got on it just a little bit, you know. There's actually cops patrolling this road today. Had to be good. But, yeah, there she is. Running and driving good. I think I might have to get a new battery for it, because I actually had to jump this car because, you know, it sets too long. You know, I think the battery might be going bad in it. I had to jump it, so I'll give you guys a little better look outside here, because I don't think you guys ever seen the car outside before, so I'll kind of walk around it real quick. All right, here she is outside, my 93 Cobra, 505 speed tail car. No, this car is very responsive. very responsive, and I love driving this thing. I'd have to say this is my favorite car to drive by far, you know, without having to, you know, worry about, without having to fight the car, you know. But like I said, you guys, love this car. I don't regret buying it. This is $13.55 of this color, so. And that's it, you guys. You know, did a cold start for you and ran it up and down the road because it did need running. She needs to run, so. But that's it, and we'll see you on the next video.